actually pretty upset that y'all didn't tell me about this sooner. Welcome back to my channel. Hey. I feel like lately I've been trying a whole bunch of new things, but today I'm going to keep it cute and I'm going to do a combination with a product that's relatively new to me. Today I'm going to be trying out for you on camera the Nature's Little Secret Irish Moss Styling Cream. If you follow a few of my faves here on YouTube or on Instagram, you've definitely heard of Nature's Little Secret, a black woman-owned business, which we stand. I actually picked this up several months ago, so hashtag usual stash. I remember it being pretty moisturizing, but I don't remember it having a great bit of hold. So needless to say, I'm going to have to combine it with my boo. A lot of body needs no introduction here. We're not going to make the show about this today. We're going to focus on the Nature's Little Secret Irish Moss Styling Cream. This says that Irish moss is a type of red seaweed, often used in food as a thickener. This nutrient-rich seaweed is also great for hair. Irish moss is a natural source of strength and nourishment for your hair. It will soothe your scalp and enhance shine. The extract from Irish moss also provides a light to medium hold. That's not enough for your hair. Our handmade Irish Moss Styling Cream will leave your hair nourished, conditioned, and defined. So recently my boo Sheree Del Sol has been hounding me to try this again to get my thoughts. A little background, my hair is freshly cleansed and conditioned. I actually put my leave-in and a sealant on yesterday and my hair has been air drying and twist overnight because I'm a lazy bum, but that's neither here nor there. This does say that you can use it on wet or dry hair, and it also says that it is sulfate, paraben, phthalate, silicone, and dye free. So this is safe for my curly girls. It also says that it is for all hair types and it is 12 ounces, so learn something from this. So this is the mess that was underneath of my slap cap. Like I said, I just have my leave-in and a sealant applied, and I'm going to go ahead and section my hair how I want to wear it, and then we'll proceed with applying the product. Okay, so I have my first section. It's a medium large-ish kind of section, and I'm going to go in with the Irish Moss Styling Cream. As you can see, this super creamy product just sinks right into my hair and it even starts to define it. It's super smooth and it has some good slip to it as well. It also has a super light sweet scent. So like I said, this product is super moisturizing, but it doesn't give me a whole lot of hold. So I am going to go in with my boo, and I'm only going to use about 2 pumps. And y'all, I am back on my finger detangling kick because what's the rush? I have nowhere to be. I'm going to do 2-strand twist out because why work hard? You all make sure to drop down in the comments and let me know what you've been watching. I have just finished watching every single episode of Family Matters. Once I saw that that was on Hulu, it was like all I could watch for literal weeks, and I just feel so empty. I've already finished Dead to Me, and I've already watched Little Fires Everywhere. So now Quinn has me engulfed in the show For Life, which is produced by 50 Cent, and it's about this man who got falsely imprisoned and then became a lawyer in prison. Listen, the first episode I was already emotionally invested, and the second that I finished twisting my hair, I'm going back to finish episode 7. Talk about an emotional roller coaster. So you all be sure to drop down in the comments and let me know what you all are binging during quarantine, because it is only a matter of time before I run out of things to watch. So you all know, if you watched my 2020 natural hair goals video, that I really wanted to experiment with my hair this year. I wanted to get into rod sets and bantu knots and even possibly wand curls, but It's looking like twist outs and braid outs for the duration, and I gotta admit, I'm not that mad at it. I don't know, I just don't see the point in trying to do anything besides keeping my hair clean and moisturized, just because ain't like I can go nowhere, so I'm gonna waste all my time doing all of that to my hair just to wear it in the house. So if you're seeing that yellow residue coming out, I did use the Alikay lemongrass leave-in, which I'm about to run out of and I'm very sad about. But hashtag use your stash forever and always. Also have my eye on a new mousse. Apparently Hawaiian Silky has this triple butter mousse. Thank you, Sabrina, for letting me and Sheree know. And I want to try it, but I want to try to find it on the ground just because I don't want to pay shipping. I can see how this Irish Moss styling cream would work for a wash and go for someone with looser and silkier and finer textured hair than I. But as for me, it just has to serve its purpose as a moisturizer. And it does a great job at that for me. So I often get a lot of comments, people telling me to add more water, and here's the thing with that. One, my hair takes entirely too long to dry. So no. Two, I like to style on damp hair. That is my preference. The only time I really style on soaking wet hair is for a wash and go. And if a product doesn't really work for me on damp hair, then it doesn't work for me. I'm not in the practice of making it work. Either it works or it doesn't. And if it doesn't, that's okay. I'll give it away or I'll return it. So it's all good if you like to apply more product, or if you like to apply more water, or you know, whatever your method and your technique is. I also have my own method and technique, and I'm going to do what works for me, just like I suggest you do what works for you. Okay, so I'm all done applying the Irish Moss styling cream as well as my Lotta Body Bay. I really wish I had some rods so I could do a twist and curl, but I do not. So I'll probably have to order some soon. So I'm going to let these twists dry probably for a couple of days, and then I'll come back for the takedown. So I'm all done separating and fluffing. Can we just have a moment of silence? Thank you so much. It's actually been about 3 days from the last clip that you saw, and let me just say, my twists are still super moisturized. I didn't need to use any oil to take my hair down. In case you haven't seen my previous videos, I love to use a cream or a butter styler and layer it with either a gel or a mousse. The Nature's Little Secret Irish Moss styling cream is just so super moisturizing, and you all saw how it started to define my hair before I twisted it up. The slip is good, the definition that it gives is good, the moisture that it gives is good, but it just doesn't give me the hold. So of course I topped it off with my Lotta Body Bay. Not only does my hair look good, it feels good. I love this and will continue to keep this in the arsenal. I'm gonna have to add this to my arsenal along with my Cocoa Creme from Carol's Daughter. It's that good. loves it. So that about wraps up my thoughts on the Nature's Little Secret Irish Moss Styling Cream. Make sure you drop down in the comments and let me know your thoughts. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.